The Adherence Canvas is a guidance tool for organisations to consider, evaluate and measure adherence considerations in medical technology, products or services. The Canvas is based on the Adherence Framework for factors that affect adherence in self-administered medical technology. The Adherence Canvas and Framework are part of the PhD studies results conducted by Rafika Mansi at the School of Design, Northumbria University. The Adherence Canvas consists of Adherence Factors Guide. These are examples of sub-factors related to each factor. The Factors Consideration Map measures how each factor is considered in the intervention. 1, red, means very low or no consideration, and 5, green, means very high consideration. Factors groups represents main factors categories. Adherence main factors. Factors importance shows the importance level of each factor in achieving adherence. 1 dash is very low and 5 dashes means very high. Assemble the team and let each member rate the level of adherence consideration in the product from 1 to 5, where 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest. Use the Adherence Factors Guide on the corners to know the sub-factors associated with each factor. Allow the team to modify their answers based on the general answers and ensure each factor has one level of adherence consideration. Colorize each factor with the highest level of adherence consideration. Repeat the evaluation steps above after improving or testing the product or service.